You're welcome to another edition of Business Timeout with Insidekano TV. This is your host, Tayoni. Now we've been looking at entrepreneurship myths. What are the things that are not so true as regards entrepreneurship? All right, the next one we're going to be looking at today is that's not true. That's not true. Because you're an entrepreneur doesn't mean you're your own boss. Your client is your boss because you are serving a client as an entrepreneur. So you're not really your own boss. Whoever is paying for your product is actually your boss, because they will determine when, where, and how you get paid and how you get the job done. Another important entrepreneurship myth is that that's not true. When you're an entrepreneur, you can't wake up when you like, you can't sleep when you like. In fact, some entrepreneurs practically work 20 hours a day to be able to meet up to their business ideals, to their business ideas, to their work schedule. So you need to understand that you don't really have a lot of time in your hands. Your time is scheduled, your time is structured. The third entrepreneurship myth we're going to be looking at today is that's not true. Understand the fact that in business, capital does not always mean money. Capital is basically everything that you are using or everything that you need to kick off your business. So whatever your business ideal is, whatever your product is, will actually determine what your capital is, and it doesn't always have to be money. I personally have started a couple of businesses without having a kobo in my pocket. So to be an entrepreneur, it doesn't mean you need a large sum of money. You just need what you need to get the business done. So till we see in our next series, keep it up. We'll keep looking at entrepreneurship.